Okay, the person that's on Zoom, that has Zoom user, please take your mic off of mute and state your name.
Dana Carroll.
Okay, you can put your mic back on mute. Court is in session and calls number M329224. Case and style of State of Texas versus Human Day. Mr. Day, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Day?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Day, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Gertz. However, Attorney Gertz is not here, and standing in for Mr. Gertz is Attorney Reagan McNulty. Does Attorney McNulty have your permission to stand in for Attorney Gertz?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Attorney McNulty, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Judge?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. State is represented in this case by Attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
Attorney McNulty, what is your announcement in Mr. Day's case?
We're just asking for a normal reset, Judge. We need some more time with the discovery, and we've been in trial and have trial for the next 2 weeks.
Okay, now this is a old case. Say, do you have any objections to the reset?
No, Your Honor.
No. Okay. Give us a reset discovery.
Reset is January 24th, Judge.
Okay, January 24th. 24. Mr. Day, your attorney, Ms. McNulty, is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day, and Attorney McNulty, you have a blessed day as well.
Thanks,
Yes,
Judge.
sir, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You're welcome. Yes. Mr. Rojas? Okay, you have Christian Simeon.
Yes.
Mr. Simeon? This is cause number M 333-812. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Christian Omani James Simeon. Mr. Simeon, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Simeon? You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Simeon, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Charles Rojas. Attorney Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge.
Hey, Mr. Rojas, what is your announcement in Mr. Simeon's case?
Judge, we're gonna ask him for another announcement docket. Mr. Simeon, is gonna give me some witness information that will come in and make some statements, hopefully. It has been.
Okay, so you're still conducting your investigation?
Yes.
January 24th. Okay, so this case is reset to January 24th till 2024. Mr. Simeon, your attorney's gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Rojas, I think this is your
That's
case.
all I have, Judge.
You're free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Mr. Faggett, you ready on your case?
Your Honor, Mr. Castillo is here. Your Honor, we
We need to get a clerk. He's filling out a tablet over there. Oh,
The states agreed to dismiss in exchange for the forfeiture of any interest in the weapon.
Mr. Hubel, could you reach me a box of gloves? Thank you. Thank you.
You have this one?
Just give them the judge.
Yes.
And you just not gonna be tablets. So
I need a tablet.
this one.
Give me a tablet.
We got it. I was wondering if, like,
Actually, I
do we
won't be
have
able to
clerk?
get the dismissal until she gets here. Yeah. Yeah, I won't be able to get the dismissal until the clerk sends it to me. Bad tablet. Try it again. What is this? Just hold on a minute. Hmm. Okay. This is cause number M333-826. Case of style, the state of Texas versus Ashton Castillo. Mr. Castillo, is that your full name? Okay, Mr. Castillo, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Castillo, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Castillo, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Castillo? That's good. Mr. Castillo, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Forfeit. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
And before you sign this document, did you read the document? Did your attorney go over this document with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay. Now, Mr. Castillo, you want the court to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon, in this case, to the Port Arthur Police Department? Okay. The court is going to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon to the Port Arthur Police Department. Okay. Mr. Castillo,
There's actually two weapons, Your Honor. There was
Oh,
a second
okay.
one.
There's another, weapon. I also have another motion to forfeit the weapon in clause number M333-826. And is this your signature on the document? And prior to signing this document, did your attorney go over this document? And did you read and understand everything in this document?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? And you want the court to grant this motion, forfeit the weapon to the Port Arthur Police Department? Okay, Mr. Castillo, I've just signed these motions to forfeit the weapon. Both of these weapons will be forfeited to the Port Arthur Police Department and state. You're going to be dismissing
Yes, sir.
the case.
I've
Okay.
already submitted.
Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, later on today, we're gonna sign the dismissal. We'll be able to get you a copy of the dismissal.
Sounds great. Thank you. Your Honor.
Okay, so y'all free to go and y'all have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Mr. Reynolds? Right. Would you come forward? You say Ms. Stipman?
Yes, Judge. Yes, Stitman, Judge.
Okay. Reynolds, okay. This is cause numbers 23-CC-Sierra 1127. Cause number 23-CC-Sierra 1126. And cause number 23-CC-Sierra 1128. All three cases are style of state of Texas versus Tamia Lashanti Stitt. Ms. Stipman, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Stipman?
I'm good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for having. Now, Ms. Stipman, you're representing your cases by your attorney Nathan Reynolds. Attorney Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge.
That's good. Now, Attorney Reynolds, what is your announcements in Ms. Stipman's cases?
Judge, last time we were here,
she had 3 cases. The prosecutor informed the court that they believe there was another case pending. That case has since been filed. So now she has a 4th case and a warrant. And she's here. She would like to ask the court to set a bond on the new case.
Our magistrate will be setting bonds.
Okay, I didn't know if,
Yeah, we have a magistrate that's been hired to set all the bonds.
or if I could be appointed on the 4th case, I may see.
But you will be appointed on the 4th case because you're appointed on the other 3.
Okay, if you could, we could hold her here for a few minutes.
Okay.
I'll visit with the prosecutor.
Okay, that's fine.
We'll make her an
All right. Mr. Crowe?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, on their side, we get the footage of somebody in this whole case.
Okay, well, I appreciate that. That's not even what I was worried about.
Yeah.
Yes,
This one-
yes.
this one we should-
Which one you have?
I have 2.
Yeah,
Judge.
yeah, Larry Haller and Daisy Sam.
Yes, sir. And if I
Larry
could-
Haller is here. But Sam is here too? Okay, Mr. Haller? Please come forward.
Judge, I would ask before the court calls case, realizing that. If I could have some time to speak to the prosecutor.
You want to hold on this one?
If I could on this.
Okay.
one.
Okay, we'll hold. Mr. Haller, you can have a seat. And the next case, Daisy Sam,
The same thing on that one. If I
gonna
could.
hold on that one too?
Yes, sir, because I've got a question about some discovery that I don't think I've got
Okay,
received yet, but it's
okay,
something I think we could resolve.
okay. Mr. Oh, they don't have this.
What is that? Yeah. I have.
Okay, this is cause number 23CCCR 0744, case of style the state of Texas versus Kiana LaShawn Bailey. Is that her right there? Oh. Ma'am, we need to give you a purse to the.
You're good tonight.
This is cause number 23CCCR 0744, case of style of state of Texas versus Kiana LaShawn Bailey. Ms. Bailey, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Ms. Bailey? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Bailey, you're represented in this case by your attorney Wright Kimler. Attorney Kimler, how are you doing? Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Ms. Bailey's case?
John, I requested pretrial
version, which was denied. Some asked me for trial docket.
Trial docket. Okay. Give us a trial date. What is the trial?
It'll be January 8th.
Okay, it's gonna be January 8th, 2024, Ms. Bailey. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Okay, Miss. Trevon Darrell Conley. She's already gone. Somebody, that's where she went. She went to get one.
Oh, so
Okay, this is cause number 23CC Ciara 0558. Case is style the state of Texas versus Trevon Darrell Conley. How you doing, Mr. Conley? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Conley, your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
But I get my first check on the ninth. So probably was scheduled for next week. I'll 100% guarantee have my lawyer next week. I get my first check on the ninth.
You say you get your first check on the 9th?
Yes, sir. And I 100% better get my lawyer. So maybe like the next week.
Okay, just have a seat in that first chair by the wall.
All right.
That's Mr. Connolly. We're gonna reset his case. He said he only need a week to hire a lawyer. Page 7, second from the bottom, Trevon Connolly. You can just have a seat. She'll call you when she's ready. He said he needed a week, but we're gonna give him 2 weeks. Give him 3 weeks. Yeah. Okay, here we go. His client is Mangia. Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number M310746, case at Style of State of Texas versus Taylor Marie Parker. Parker, would you please come forward? Ms. Parker, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Ms. Parker, you're represented by your attorney Wright Kimler. Attorney Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, yeah,
Okay. Now, Mr. Kimler, you're waiving your right to a jury trial in this case, is that correct?
that's great.
State you're journeying in waiving the right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, state, are you ready?
State's ready.
Defense, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Mr. Hubel, would you please read the information?
In the name and by the authority of the state of Texas, comes now the undersigned Assistant Criminal District Attorney of Jefferson County, Texas, on behalf of the state of Texas, and presents in and to the County Court at Law of Jefferson County, Texas, that in Jefferson County, Texas, Taylor Marie Parker, hereafter defendant, heretofore on or about February 24, 2016, did then and there intentionally and knowingly cause bodily injury to Janae Brown, hereafter the complainant, by grabbing said complainant by her clothing and throwing her to the floor against the peace and dignity of the state.
Ms. Parker, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest?
Not guilty.
Okay. State, would you like to make an opening statement?
No, state waives opening.
Defense?
We waive open.
Okay. Mr. Hubel, you can call your first witness.
State calls Janae Brown.
Janae Brown. Would you please call Janae Brown?
Janae Brown. Janae Brown.
No response, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Hubel, you have any other witnesses?
No, Your Honor. Can the state state something for the record?
Yes.
The state has made efforts to contact the complaining witness, Janae Brown. We've sent trial letters and subpoenas prior to the prior trial setting for this case, and made attempts to contact Ms. Brown by telephone. These attempts have been to no avail. So at this point, the state rests.
Defense?
Your Honor, we move for an instructed verdict and not guilty, or
That-
directed verdict and not guilty.
That will be granted. Ms. Parker, you are acquitted of these charges. Your attorney is going to get a copy of the judgment. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Anna Gutierrez Munguia. Would you come forward?
Yeah.
I know, right now, no, we're gonna get it to you. We're gonna give it to you today. Yeah, she's free to go. Okay, this is cause number 23 CCCR 1418. Case is Style of State of Texas versus Anna Gutierrez Munguia. Miss Munguia, how you doing?
Good, thanks.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. The attorney in this case is Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Attorney Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
That's good. I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in Ms. Mungia's case?
Judge, in this case, we have our videos, but we haven't been linked on the portal yet, so we don't have our written discovery. It's something that Mr. Cuban and I will be able to work out if we could have just a couple weeks. I think we can get that sorted out.
Okay, give us a reset date.
Sure.
This case is reset to November 29th of 2023. Ms. Mungia, your attorney is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and you're free to go as well, Mr. Gilthorpe, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Are you attorney is in another court proceeding, so he will not be able to be here today. Your case is going to be reset. You're going to get your reset from our court bar date. And once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Right.
Ms. Stidman? Court is back in session and calls numbers 23 CCCR 1126 and calls number 23 CCCR 1127 and calls number 23 CCCR 1128. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Tamia Lashanti Stidman. Ms. Stidman is represented in her cases by her attorney Nathan Reynolds Jr. And Attorney Reynolds, what is your announcement?
Judge, she has three cases I was appointed on. She's picked up a new case. I'd ask that these three cases be reset along with a new case, and I can make another announcement.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, these cases rather, will be reset to January 24th, 2024. Ms. Stidman, your attorney, your boss will get your resets. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and follow the bailiff, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Reynolds, that new case, you should be appointed on that one as well.
Yes, sir.
So all of these cases are gonna stay together.
Yes.
All right. You're welcome. Yes.
This was on, baby.
Okay, Michael Vergara, would you please come forward?
Two of them. Don Vega.
Yeah, that's one.
No, this was.
Your full name is Michael Vergara?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Vergara?
Good, thank you. Pretty slow.
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Vergara, you're represented in your case by your attorney Willard Hall. And Attorney Hall, how are you doing?
Doing great.
And Mr. Hall, what is your announcement in Mr. Vergara's case?
Well, we would like to ask for a reset. For 3 months, he lives in, he came up here from, Edinburgh,
Okay,
Texas, and for the day, and he's got a newborn baby, he'd like to get back, and he's gonna have to make some money before he comes back down here.
Yeah, but have you got your discovery and your
Yes, we
offer
have-
and all of that
yes,
stuff?
yes.
So you still need time to get prepared for the case? Is that what you're saying? Okay, what is your, give us a reset date? This is Vergara. On page 3. Okay. This case gonna be reset to January 31st. Your attorney's gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Have a safe trip back, and you have a blessed day.
Wait for me, I'll fill out the-
Okay. Don Henry Vega.
Your Honor, we need to discuss that case. He's not here. He's in the hospital.
Oh, you got this morning?
But he had an attorney, so
Who is this?
that's Will House, the one who's getting ready to talk to you.
I'm his.
Miss, okay. Mr. Hubert, did you take a look at that? We have something that was sent from the bonding company. I just read it and I'm showing it to Mr. Hubert.
I have a letter from
Okay, saying where he is, the hospital that he's in.
Yells.
Yeah.
He was in a very, very bad accident,
Okay,
motorcycle accident.
okay.
And he's in a rehab hospital now.
Okay. So you have any objections to this case being reset?
No, you're wrong.
You want it on the same day? Okay,
He's also got another case too that's coming down.
okay, well,
Do you see anything on that?
I don't,
Yeah, we have that case.
okay, it hadn't been filed yet.
I can double check.
They filed the
Yeah.
second case.
Yeah, they have a case number. I don't know if it's been put in the report. No, it's not yet. It was filed as a Monday. I'm hoping to place the report.
We'll check on this.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay,
but it does have a case.
Thank you.
okay.
Yes.
Mr. Okay, Kimber.